Okay guys, so you are joining me to another video of Learn Tech with Mr. Tech. So I came to Australia from Sri Lanka, and I'm living in the Brisbane city of Australia. So now I'm going to start my education in here. So not like in Sri Lanka, we need some iPads. So iPads and some other stuff. So the things that you are going to see next are the things that I bought for those purposes from Apple. So let's go further in the video. Here we have four Apple products, which are a iPad, a folio keyboard for the iPad, a Apple Pencil, and a second gen iPad. So let's start unboxing from the big guy in the house. It's the 11-inch iPad Pro. So we have iPad Pro written here. Some details about the iPad Pro. It is a 128 GB iPad Pro 11-inch third generation Wi-Fi only, and this one's color is space gray. We have also silver color too. They have silver color too, and there is the other one which is 12.9-inch one that is also the 5th gen. And about the capacities of these iPads, I have the 128, we have 256, 512 GB, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabyte. And about the RAM, from 128 GB to 512 GB, they have the 8 GB RAM, and from the 1 terabyte and the 2 terabyte has the 16 GB RAM, which is very fast. So the weight of these are around 466 grams for the 11-inch, and for the 12.9 there it is around 682 grams. And let's go further in our unboxing. We have first in look, we have the big guy, which is the iPad Pro. And before removing these stickers and stuff, we will go to within the box. So we have some paperwork here and stuff. And we have some stickers. So we have a Type-C to Type-C charging cable and a 20-watt charging brick. And after that, in the box we don't have anything. In the Wi-Fi plus cellular model, we have a SIM card remover that will be helpful for removing a SIM card tray. So let's remove these parts of the iPad Pro 11-inch. Okay, here we have a space gray iPad Pro 11-inch. When we talk about the display of this one, we have in the 11-inch a liquid retina display, and in the 12.9 we have a liquid XDR display. And these have both the 11-inch and the 12.9-inch has a ProMotion display. So that means you will have a 120 Hz screen, 600 nits of max brightness, and anti-reflective coating, fully animated display, and so much others. You can find extra information in the official site of the Apple. Apple. And we have the new chip of the Apple, which is the M1 chip. And let's turn this guy on. So we have a setup over here. So until we set up our iPad Pro 11-inch, we will look at our Apple Pencil. So we have our Apple Pencil over here. If now we will unbox this guy. If we talk about the generation of this one, it's a second gen Apple Pencil. So after removing the sticker, we have like another tab like over here to take these parts out. And we have some paperwork over here saying Apple Pencil. And we have some other paperwork inside this box. Right out there. And these stuff which are like unwanted. And we have our Apple Pencil. When we remove this guy, it has some kind of a weight to it, and we have the Apple Pencil over here. And if you are like ordering from online or something like that, you can put a free engraving over here. And so we have a capacitive button over here, and if we want to change this nib over here, we can remove it. If it's like old, it becomes old or something like that. So now we have set up our iPad Pro 11-inch, but now we will unbox our smart keyboard folio. And we have another tab over here, and it has Apple iPad smart keyboard folio. It works like a case, it works like a keyboard, and let's just open it up. So let's take it out. So when we keep these guys out, we have our smart folio keyboard over here. we have a legit look to it. They have given a legit look to it, and we have the paperwork inside the case. iPad, smart keyboard, folio. We can keep it. We can also cover the pen from this one. That's it in the paperwork. So now we will bring our iPad and set it up with this guy. So we have a locked iPad right over here, and when we talk about the Face ID, it's a very good Face ID because when we like glance at it, it turns on, it opens. And so we have a 120Hz screen, and we can make it a 60Hz screen when we go to accessibility, motion, and we turn on these two guys. So but we won't use that 60Hz screen anyway because it's a much harder for the eyes. So we will turn these guys off. Okay, so now let's set it up for our smart folio keyboard. It has a magnet type one. So we have two settings over here for our iPad. One for here and a one for here. And let's type and see in R1. Okay. So the keyboard only works when we connect our iPad to one of these two settings that I showed you. So the keyboard travel is very much better for a keyboard case. And so that's it about our keyboard. And we have our last guy. Oh, wait a second. Now that's not it. So there is so we have a, let's remove our keyboard from this one. Let's keep this aside. And we have a magnet strip over here that will fit our Apple Pencil to there, and we can see like this. Continue. Done. So now our Apple Pencil is working for our screen. Nothing. So when we draw in here, so since this has a 120Hz refresh rate, so it has a very low latency rate when we use our Apple Pencil. My handwriting is very bad. So now we will keep these big guys aside, and let's go to our second gen AirPods. So we have our last person from the Apple over here, which are the second gen AirPods. So let's unbox this guy too. And the thing about this is this doesn't have a tab, so basically you will need something to remove its cover. And let's take it out. Again, we have some paperwork over here. And we have our Airpods over here. And below this one, do we have anything? Yep, we have. So we have a USB A to Lightning port charging wire. Let's remove this. So let's remove this guy's sticker. And then we have our two AirPods over here. So when we use it and put it in again inside, these AirPods charge within the case, and so this has touch control, beamforming microphones, dual optical sensors, motion detecting accelerometer, speech detecting accelerometer, and these two guys have a H1 chip and double tap to play a double tap sensors. So we have double tap controls in these AirPods, and a charging case with a lightning connector, and the AirPods are up to 5 hours of listening time with a single charge, up to 3 hours of talk time with a single charge, and the AirPods with charging case more than 24 hours of listening time, up to 18 hours of talk time. 50 minutes in the case provides up to 3 hours of listening time or up to 2 hours of talk time. The connectivity is Bluetooth 5.0, and in the box, like we opened it, we have the AirPods charging case, lightning to a USB cable, documentations and stuff. So that's all about our AirPods. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, like, press the like button, share, and press the bell icon so you can get notified with the newest videos that I upload. And wish me luck. Thank you.